Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of digital banking system. Using this script you can create your own website of banking system for your business. So let me clear you that you must need this script to create your website of banking system. So if you want to buy this script from me, you can contact me on the number given on the screen, or WhatsApp link is in description. You can come to me through the link. So don't worry about the price of script, come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. And if you want complete website, hosted website, we will provide you this. And let me clear you that this website is with complete admin panel, means that you can change everything from your website. You can list anything you want to list. So let's start the video. So first of all, you can see the amazing home page of this website, and you can change the text from admin panel. And here is the option to create an account. So you must need to create account to use the user dashboard, and then you can log into website. So let's explore some other feature. Here is the option of payment. Here's completely animated sections, and take loan, deposit, take transfer money, and you can change these things. So here's about us section. You can list about yourself, your vision, your goal, and you can change the image and whatever you want to do. So here is make your life comfortable with our services. So these you can list your services here from admin panel, and admin panel is completely easy to use. So here is why you are giving the best service. These are the features, and here is the how you can join this platform. First of all, create account, verification, deposit, and get services. So here is a fixed deposit schemes. You can explore them and list these schemes from the admin panel. You can also change them or list new services from admin panel. So here you can view all, click on view all to view all those services. Here grow your deposit with us, and here are the plans: starter, basic, pro plan. You can change them, edit them, delete them, or list new plans from admin panel. Here's the best loan plans and other sections. So here is a section why our banking services all over the world. We provide banking services all over the world. So these are the some things, and here you can list about yourselves and your ratings and other things. Here are frequently asked questions sections. You can list questions from in this section. Here are the partner section. You can list your all the partners, and you can easily remove any section you want to remove through admin panel. So this is a photo section. You can change this logo. You can change everything that is on your website. I will show you how you can change them. So this is, you can also visit these pages separately. For example, when I click on about us, it will take me to the about page. Here's the services page separate, and FAQs and contact page. So you can visit these pages separately through this header page. So here you can contact the owner of bank. So to log into website you must need an account. So I have already logged in, so I will click on user dashboard, and this is the amazing user dashboard of this website. So you can see your account number, you can see your balance information, deposits, withdrawals, transaction, FDR, DPS, loans, and all your information right here. Here's a referral link. You can refer your friends and other family members. Here is the latest credits. You can see here is no transaction or no deposit. That's why it's showing nothing, because website is newly created, and that's why it's showing nothing. And here is the about section. So this is a user dashboard of the user. So here is separate option of deposit, and you can see your deposit. So there is no deposit now. You can click on deposit now to deposit the money. Select simply payment gateway and amount and transfer money through this. Here is withdraw section, and with FDR and DPS and many other things. So you can change your things from admin panel and control complete site. So this is the quick overview of the website, and now we will sign in to our admin panel and see how it looks like. So I will go to my admin panel, and you can see this is my admin panel of website. You can see how amazing this admin panel is. You can control all your site from this admin panel in a single click. So you can see your total users, active users, email unverified, mobile unverified user, and pending user, deposit, rejected deposits, and many other things. All these things you can see everything from this section. Here you can see monthly deposit and report graphs and pie charts. From this section you can manage all your users, you can verify them, you can ban them, you can verify their mobile number. For example, I got email verification, and here is all the users, and you can verify their emails from this section. So what you have to do is you have to just go on details, and you can verify and unverify from here. You can view their details and other things. So here are the user section, and here is the email section. I was showing you, and here you can go on details and change them. So you can verify emails from this section and unverify them. So these are the users. You can control all the user section, and here you can see all user, you can see all notifications. Here is a deposit section, you can control all deposits, reject them, approve them, what you want to do you can do from here. Same as with the withdrawals. And here is money transfer option. You can see all the pending transfers, the rejected transfers, own bank transfer, and all the things from this section. So you can see all the pending transfers, their details from here. So there are some other bank option, wire or transfer option, manage branches. You can manage all your branches from this section, and branch staff from this section. Here is plan section, FDR plan, DPS plan, FDR, and all the things you can manage from here. Here you can manage loans, here you can manage payment gateways. So there are automatic payment gateways as well as manual payment gateways. You can edit automatic payment gateways, disable them, and if you don't want to use automatic payment gateway, you can use manual payment gateway. You can create of your own. By clicking add new, you can create automatic manual payment gateway. Here are support ticket options, and here is general settings. From general setting, basically you can change the site settings. So here you can change the site title from Viser Bank to any other title you want to change. Here you can change currency, symbol, time zone, and here you can change the site color settings, and these are all the minimum limit, daily limit, monthly limit, and fixed charges, percentage charges. From logo and favicon, basically change the logo of this website. You can insert your own logo of your business. And from system configuration, you can control your system configuration such as email notifications, messages, mobile verification messages, and every other settings. And you can change everything, enable or disable from here. So you can see all the detail, bank transfer, loans, and other settings. So from here you can manage KYC settings. You can control completely. Here you can manage referral settings, and you can see these are all the referral settings. And from there is extension option, language option. You can manage SEO of your website. From notification settings, you can manage all these notifications. And from manage template, you can manage a template, and there is only one template now, but you can add other template if you want to add. So here is manage pages. You can manage all the pages that are on your site. You can edit them or add new pages if you want to add. So this is how you can add new pages or edit the old pages. So basically this is a section option. From this option you can change the section information. For example, if I want to change my about section, I can change it through here. You can change everything that is on your about section. You can change text, you can change image from here, and submit changes. Similarly, you can change all these sections that are on your website. So these are all very easy to change. So you don't need to do, but just you have to type simple information and it will be changes. So these are user friendly. This is user friendly dashboard and admin panel. So here you can change control GDC, GDPR, cookie. You can enable them or disable them. Here is system server settings and other things. So if you need this PHP script, contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you the complete script of website, and you have to just host it. Or if you want me to host it, I will do it for you. Don't worry about it. Just come to WhatsApp and I will provide you the script. Thanks for watching this video, and do like and subscribe the channel.